Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTaker. In this one I'm going to talk about what is the touch sampling rate in the Realme GT60 device. So this is one of the most requested question in my channel, asking me to make a video on this topic and compare with other phones as well. So right now I'm going to compare with a couple of devices which I got at this moment. So I'm going to use those devices to compare the values with the touch sampling rate. So how accurate we are getting in the Realme GT60 device. So according to official figures, if you try to do the quick Google search, you will be able to get this information regarding the touch sampling rate. So it says 2500 hertz, but I'm not sure whether it's kind of accurate or not. So today we're going to measure the touch sampling rate in this device. So for that I started to use these two applications. So first is this touch screen application, so where you can actually just use this blue screen just to swipe your finger. So depending on the speed of the movement of the finger, so you will get the separated lines. If the higher touch sampling rate the phone has got, you should be able to get even the flat line even when you try to do the very speed movement as well. But that's not the case here, unfortunately, as you can see here. So for this I do have another application to see what's going on with the touch sampling rate, what is the exact values we are getting. So there you can see, so in this touch sampling rate tester, so the screen refresh rate which is shown on the top side, as you can see guys, and the below one is a touch sampling rate of the device exactly. So this way you will get the clear clarity. Right now we are getting only 120 Hz as a touch sampling rate. So I'm not sure why it's like that, but let me to enable the GT mode and let's find out whether because of the GT mode. So right now I did enable the GT mode. I'm trying to check. Even right now there is no change in the touch sampling rate, as you can see guys. So even I'll try to add this application into the game space and let's see. So right now, as you can see guys, I did add the touch sample rate as well in the game space, and I'm trying to close the application, and I'll try to add the both applications and I'll try to show you what's going on. So complete all the applications are added in the game space. Now let's try to open the first application which we tested. Right now, as you can see, the GT mode is on and the game space is on, and the touch sampling rate still remains to be same, as you can see guys. And even in this game application also, so right now it started to increase little bit. So from 120 Hz it went up to 240 Hz, if you try to remember, as you can see guys. So overall in the Realme GT60, the maximum the refresh the touch sampling rate can get up to 240 Hz. That's because I did add in the game space, I think so, as you can see guys. So let me to double check again. I'll try to remove this application and we'll try to see the difference. So yes, the touch sampling rate dropped, as you can see here clearly. So it means that in the game space, if you try to add this application, only then you will be able to get that kind of higher touch sampling rate. So that's what the example. To make sure this application is exactly accurate, I have used the different devices. So let's take this Realme GT60, Realme GT Neo 2, this device. In this application, as you can see, we're getting about 300 Hz touch sampling rate. As you can see guys, the Realme GT Neo 2, and the top one is a refresh rate which is maintaining exactly kind of pretty close. Sometimes we'll get inaccurate, but overall it's kind of 120 Hz. And these are ROG Phone 6 with the 120 Hz refresh rate. So 165 Hz. So this is a 165 refresh rate. So when I try to move here, you will be able to see the 165 Hz value. So just to show you that the top one is a refresh rate, I am trying to use a different devices to make sure that you know exact value. And this phone has got higher touch sampling rate because of the gaming device. So we are getting about 360 Hz, as you can see here. So this is a quick comparison guys, but overall in the Realme GT60 you will be able to get up to 240 Hz, and this is a nothing phone 2. Even in the nothing phone 2 as well, we are getting the values kind of close to, let me try to show you, 240 Hz. So this is a quick overall touch sampling rate testing on this Realme GT60, and I'm trying to use the higher refresh rate as well in this device. So as you can see, so high refresh rate I try to use, and even the screen resolution is set to the high as well. But let's see, to set to the normal 1080, will it affect any kind of results? I'm not sure, just the testing itself. So it's not impacting any results. So still we are getting the maximum of 240. So this is a quick overall touch sampling rate testing demonstration on the Realme GT60 device. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more updates, and bye.